Lucious? No, Luscious. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this install together, talk about the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is a part of their Converti Cap series. This is the unit Luscious Love. Lucious? No, Luscious. Lucious Lion? No. Luscious Love in the color 1B, and this unit retails around that $20 price point depending on where you shop to get her from. This unit does come like all the other ones with the comb across the front, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable drawstring. So if you want to convert this unit to a ponytail, you can do that. She does come in special colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. All right, so I'm just going to do like a little half up situation right here in the front, but I don't want to have to blend no hair with this wig, so I'm gonna keep it real simple. Okay, so put the wig cap on like this, bring it back a little bit, put on the wig grip. I'm gonna put the wig on like this. Okay, brush that out. Now I'm gonna take the hair, I'm gonna part it like this. Swoop it over like this. And use our bobby pins to hold her in place. All right, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of powder to my parting space. Where's my brush? Where is my brush? And do a little bit of EBIN right here. Right here in the front as well. Where is my eyebrow? Here we go. My eyebrow pencil in brown. Color some of this hairline in like that. Okay, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. You can definitely trim around the unit like so. Give it a little bit more layers. Add your dry shampoo, take down some of that shine. I want it to look like my hair. I mean, it's $20, but I want it to look like my hair. Okay, so here we go with the finished look. I think she came out really cute, and my hairline is out, so I'm not taking any edges. All right, blend your hairline how you need to blend your hairline. Okay, listen, get the cheap bundles. Okay, you can rock the cheap bundles too. Okay, she give me, she got movement. Okay, this little ponytail they had on her, on the card here, that little half up, half down, that was cute. But I feel like it looks a lot thicker on the card than it actually is on my head. It's definitely giving me this, but this, no, I don't know where that ponytail came from. That may be some of her hair out. I bought me some banana clips. So I want to pin her up. Drawstring is up there, but it's okay. Pin her up like this. Get the little banana clip like that. You don't gotta wear her down if you don't want to. You can rock her up, okay, to the back. This is how she looking. Okay, my drawstring is showing, but I can just tuck that. But yeah, a $20 wig, like I'm not mad at this. And she comes in different looks. Look at all these wigs, y'all. Look at all these wigs. And they got the ponytail joints, okay? So if you don't want the half wig, you want the ponytail, you can get the ponytail too. I wanna do an up style with this, but without the wrap. I'm gonna move this up here, like this. Let me grab some of the hair. Okay, we're gonna try to do a little up style with this. All right, let me bobby pin this in place so it doesn't get lost. I want to bring this hair up like this, like that. I'm gonna put that in a clip. I have it in my head what I want to do, so I'm hoping I'm hoping it translates, y'all. The rest of this hair up like this. Bring this down. I'm gonna bring it all up like that. Maybe some hair fall down. Maybe. Pull, pull, pull. And we're gonna clip it. Where's my... And now we are going to clip it like that. I'm gonna take this out. So now I got this hair to play with. I'm gonna bobby pin this together and bobby pin. Pull the bang together like this. I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna bobby pin it up here. Play with it a little bit, flatten it out. Okay, pull the hair down a little bit. Okay. Let me bobby pin this little part right here. Make sure it's flat, how I need her to be. Obviously, you know, work on your band or whatever so you don't see that. Okay, so I think that's it, y'all. I think we're done with the up style of this look. This is how she looking to the back, okay? What we think, what we think? I think she's pretty cute. I mean, for the look that I'm going for, I'm kind of there. I can see the vision. I don't know if I'm there yet. Little tweaking here and there. With a little bit more tweaking, I think she'll be perfect. Do you see the vision that I'm going for? Am I close? Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. Let me know, let me know. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.